After 500 hours of careful restoration, the mighty Cat D399 is finally ready to roar again. A 16-cylinder, 67-liter beast coupled to a 1 megawatt generator. First start, June 16th, 2012. 20 years of silence, and this Caterpillar D337F diesel is finally ready for a cold start. Paired with a 150 kilowatt Cato generator, untouched since its industrial days. No ether, no tricks, just pure diesel heart coming back to life. A powerhouse in standby. The 2,000 kilowatt Caterpillar 3516 diesel generator. Low hours built for reliability, now facing its cold start and load bank test. Let's see how this giant wakes up at diesel service and supply. Open exhaust and raw power. The Cat G3616 comes alive, driving a massive roar pumping system. This factory acceptance test uses water, but soon it'll move oil across Myanmar. One of 10 systems built, and this beast passes with flying colors. At the Paknampo Depot, the Alstom 4228 peel stick engine awakens from its rest. A cold start for this diesel locomotive, pure mechanical muscle on rails. Let's listen as the heart of steel comes alive once more. From the Vulcan Foundry to the main line, the legendary British Rail Class 50 roars again. Built for 100-mile-an-hour express service, this is Locomotive 50021's first startup, a true sound of English electric engineering coming back to life. A classic from the Soviet skies, the Yakovlev Yak-18T prepares for engine start. Its M14P radial engine, a growling symbol of post-war Russian engineering, comes to life. Let's hear this vintage trainer awaken once more.
Man blir seriöst berörd av det här ljudet.